Prism Live Studio and OBS Studio are two popular streaming tools with different approaches. Prism focuses on easy, creative live content with built-in effects. OBS offers advanced customization and control. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both tools. Prism Live Studio is a user-friendly streaming app designed for creators who want to add flair to their broadcasts quickly. It integrates real-time video effects, overlays, and multi-platform streaming directly from one interface. The software combines webcam, screen, and media sources with vibrant filters and transitions that require minimal setup. Its strengths include an intuitive interface, built-in effects, and support for mobile devices. Limitations include limited advanced customization and professional-grade controls compared to other platforms. It may not suit users needing deep audio mixing or plugin support. OBS Studio is a free open-source streaming software known for its powerful customization and professional features. It captures and mixes video and audio from multiple sources like webcams, screens, and external devices, offering unlimited scenes and transitions. OBS lets users build complex setups with plugins, filters, and audio mixers, providing full control over every stream element. Its strengths lie in flexibility, extensive community support, and compatibility with most platforms. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and lack of built-in creative effects compared to Prism. Key comparison points: ease of use. Prism has an intuitive interface with minimal setup. OBS has a technical interface that requires more time to master. Built-in effects. Prism includes real-time video effects, overlays, and transitions. OBS offers effects through plugins and custom configurations. Customization. Prism offers limited customization. OBS provides unlimited scenes, audio mixing, and plugin support. Platform support. Prism supports mobile devices and desktop. OBS is primarily desktop-based with broad platform support. Resource usage. Prism is lightweight and accessible. OBS is more resource-intensive but scalable. Target user. Prism suits casual streamers, vloggers, and social media broadcasters. OBS suits gamers, serious streamers, and professionals who need advanced capabilities. Choose Prism Live Studio if you want an easy-to-use Align-1 streaming app with creative effects and quick multi-platform broadcasting. It is best suited for social media streamers and users who prioritize simplicity and built-in effects. Choose OBS Studio if you need full control and professional features for high-quality tailored broadcasts. It is best suited for serious streamers, gamers, and broadcasters who are comfortable with technology and need advanced streaming capabilities. Conclusion: Prism Live Studio offers quick setup and creative tools for accessible live streaming. OBS Studio provides unmatched control and flexibility for professional-grade productions. The choice depends on whether you prioritize ease of use and built-in effects or full customization and advanced features.